Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another development. It's basically on Kingston Spring Road. It's kinda on Maninzel Road as well. New, moving very quickly. The location that it is on, you may have visited a restaurant over there before. I think White Bone restaurant was on this complex. It's a big space, and it had White Bones there. So now this is the development that's going up. Very unusual shape, but seems it could be a warehouse. It's definitely commercial. As usual, not much info on it. If you guys know any details, you can let me know in the comments. But it's moving fast. Not a very big development, but it's very central location, very popular location. Right next to Richie B's Texaco. So very popular spot. So we have Maninzel Road here. Then at the next side we have Kingston Spring Road. So centrally located. Technically 3 floors, or it could be 2 floors. That seems to be the height because they're doing roofing. It's a drone video, so I'm gonna set up the drone for you guys so you can get some aerial shots as well. Remember to like, leave a comment, remember to share, and subscribing is free. That's the cheapest, easiest way to support me, to support the channel. So subscribe. Remember, I'm a realtor associate as well. So if you're buying or selling property in Jamaica, even if you're overseas and buying some overseas, I still can help you. So reach out to me, support my YouTube channel. We'll be posting properties for sale, properties for rent. Link will be in the comments. I appreciate you guys, and I'm not gonna stop mentioning it until we reach at least 10,000 subs. So we have 20,000 subs on this channel. If half of you guys go over and just subscribe, then we reach with 10,000 goal. I know persons have been watching me and supporting me and have been commenting year over year. Really appreciate you guys. Happy to always do a video. I love seeing development. I love recording them, and I love showing them to you guys as well. So I'm gonna set up the drone sometime now. We get some aerial shots of this development and the surrounding area for you guys. First month in the year. Appreciate you guys and all the best for 2025. Stay alive. Hope your dreams, aspirations, goals and plans come true. So I'm gonna set up the drone now with some music. So this is Maninzel Road, and they're coming off Kingston Spring Road.